everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do an angel card reading for you, but a little in a different way. Hope you guys are feeling fine, healthy and keeping yourself safe. So let's start with the reading. But what I'm going to do this time is people born under the birth number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'm going to pick up card number 1 for them. People born under 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is card number 2. And the master number 11 and 22 is the card number 3. So let's go ahead and start with our reading. Now again, the first card is for the people born under the birth number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. How is that? Suppose if you're born under 24, 2 plus 4 is 6. Like 13, 3 plus 1 is 4. So just calculate and come to a one-digit number. So the first card is for, again I'm repeating, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Let's see what the angels have to say for you. Yes, whoa. So the angels are telling you whatever you have asked the questions or whatever is in your mind right now. Should I go ahead do this? Should I do this? Should I do that? The answer is yes. So whatever your question was or whatever you are confused about right now, the angels are guiding you that whatever you're doing is the right thing. Go ahead and do it, and we give you a permission. It's a yes. For the people born under 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, what does angels tell them? Let's see. Ooh, it says within the next few months. So whatever news you're waiting for, or maybe you're waiting for the promotion, or maybe you're waiting for that girl to come and ask you, or that boy to come and ask you, then it is going to happen in few months. Have a little bit of patience, and it is going to happen because it does say within the next few months. So any hard work that you have been doing is going to pay using positive results in the coming months, few months. So it won't be that too long, so that the wait is not too long. So whatever it is, it's coming your way and you should be happy for it. Now the third one is for the master numbers that are 11 and 22. Okay, because people born on the 11, it is called the master number, so they don't calculate to 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus people born on the 22 doesn't calculate 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4. So what I'm going to do is, this is the third card and it is for 11 and 22. Let's see. Ask your angels. So I think somewhere people born on the 11 and 22 are confused a little bit and they need an answer. So I know there are people who believe in angels and there are people who do not believe in angels, but then at least you can fold your hand and ask for help, to the universe. The universe will send you the help. The angels are the one who come and help you when you ask. But asking is necessary. It's a rule. When you ask for help, you will get it. So ask your angels for help. Whatever confusion, whatever you're thinking about, your mind is not clear about the answer, or you have confusion regarding a person. How is that person? Should I go ahead and sign a contract with that person? Should I go ahead and work in this company? Ask your angels. They will somehow show you the sign. Maybe in your dreams. Maybe you will have someone coming and telling you about it, or somewhere you will go outside and you might read it on an auto rickshaw, or maybe on a truck, or maybe on the car, something that you need an answer to. So the angels work wonders. Though angels are very busy right now, like I tell you, they are really, really busy answering and taking care of a lot of people right now because of the COVID, but they do listen to each and every one of us, and they do come for help. They give us guidance, so just make sure you look around for guidance, and you will definitely see it. So that's it for now. Like I told you, I'll put the timestamp in my description. 1 4 was number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Second card was for 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And the third was for the master number 11 and 22. So that's it for now. Have a very good days ahead. I will be meeting you soon again, but till then, keep yourself safe, healthy, take your vaccines, and stay away from COVID. Do like my page. I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook, like I always tell you. And yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell, ting tong. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.